Here's how to install Hotjar on Shopify, and it takes less than a minute if you know exactly where to paste the code. First thing you need is your tracking code from Hotjar. Log into your dashboard and copy that script. It'll have your unique site ID baked right in. Jump over to your Shopify admin and hit Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click those three dots next to it. Hit Edit Code. You're now looking at all the files that make your store work. Go to the Layout folder on the left and click theme.liquid. This file controls what happens on every single page, which is exactly what you want for tracking. Scroll down until you see the closing head tag. Looks like /head in brackets. That's your target. Click right before it and paste your Hotjar code there. It needs to be inside that head section to work properly. Save it. Done. Your code is now running on every page of your store. Back in Hotjar, click Verify Installation. Browse around your store for a bit to create some data, then refresh that verification page. You should see confirmation that everything's connected and tracking your visitors.